Today we're unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max Silicone Case with MagSafe. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Following on from my previous video where we unboxed the new iPhone 13 Pro Max, I thought it would be worth sharing a video for MagSafe cases. So Apple offers clear, leather and silicone MagSafe cases. The silicone model comes in a variety of colours. We've got here the Marigold, Product Red and Blue Jay cases, but there are other colours available too, from chalk pink and pink pomelo to darker options with clover, abyss blue and midnight. For peace of mind, it's probably a good idea to get a case to protect your new iPhone 13. This silicone case is currently priced at £49. This might seem a little pricey, but at the end of the day, it's a fraction of the price of your new iPhone, and it's definitely worth protecting that investment. I think the case has a nice feel to it, and the inner microfibre lining is meant to offer additional protection. The case also fits quite snugly around the iPhone, but doesn't seem to interfere with the buttons, which is a good thing. Another great feature of this case is its charging capabilities. The built-in magnets work with other MagSafe charging accessories. If you're interested in the MagSafe battery pack, then be sure to check out my other video on that. Overall, my first impressions have been positive. From my experience so far, it works well with other MagSafe accessories, and aesthetically, I really like the look and feel of the case. The price might seem a little on the high end, but with regards to the case's durability and how well it protects the iPhone from bumps and drops, only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the new videos.